Summertime's here, and as parents, sometimes we forget what to put on our kids when we're taking them out in the sun now that the heat is back. So I wanted to take a quick minute to review exactly what it is as far as sun protection is concerned. So first off, if you have a small child or a baby that's less than 6 months of age, we tend not to want you to put them out in the sun. So if you're gonna put your baby out in the sun or have them on the beach, make sure that they're in a shaded area, that they have a nice hat and long sleeve shirts. For babies that are older, you can expose them to the sun, but the few areas that are gonna be exposed to the sun, like their hands and their face, we want you to put on sunblock. Some little known facts about sunblock is that we prefer barrier creams. And what that means is that we want the base ingredient to be titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. Some things people may not know is that the main ingredient in most sunblocks is oxybenzone. You want to kind of be careful with this with kids in the aspect that it's something called an endocrine disruptor. And what that means is that it can actually mess up the balance of hormones in your children, and we do not want that. And believe it or not, it is a very common ingredient because it's very good at blocking the sun's rays. But again, because children and adolescents, we want to protect them in any way we can, we want to pick an agent that's a barrier cream and not an endocrine disruptor. Some tips for adults: definitely limit your exposure out to the sun. And if there's no other like sunscreens around and there's nothing else left, then obviously we prefer you not to get skin cancer than not use anything at all. But a little known fact, believe it or not, the oxybenzone is actually outlawed in some beaches. I did not know this. So if you try to take these products to Hawaii, they will not let you utilize them. And the reason why is that apparently it also kills coral reefs. So stick with the barrier product if you have a choice. If there's nothing else around and you're gonna be out in the sun, then this is obviously better than nothing, but a barrier cream would be better. So think zinc oxide or titanium dioxide.